Many happy returns of the day. We are all teachers, and today we celebrate Teachers' Day. You all know it and know it very well. Who gave us this day of celebration? Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, a great educationist of university profile, great thinker, great innovator, great education administrator, and of course, a lot of glory he brought to the country. Few things I have in my mind. In the morning, around 8:30, a very old student of mine came to my house. He brought the gift. And when he brought that gift to me, touching my feet, of course, I got up, blessed him. And what he told me is, "Sir, we celebrate Teachers' Day. But the question is, are we really justifying the role as a teacher today?" Trapti, our Dean Academics, touched the chord of my heart when he talked of the role model. And what he described, he is the CEO of a company, a station in Bangalore. He just came last night, and the only purpose of his visit was to meet me and give a present today on Teachers' Day. And he talked of the same thing which our Dean Academics talked about, role model. And then I thought, what will I do? I said, I'll also talk something similar through paraphrasing the letters of the word teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. T for teaching. We all are aware of the processes. We are professional in our own area. We know our subject very well. We adapt the techniques which are required for a particular topic as well. But one thing which got to be remembered all the time, every time, whether you are in the class or outside the class or walking on the road or in the auditorium or in the mess or in the canteen, wherever you are on the sports field, your role of teaching continues to be there. And when the role of teaching continues to be there, there's a technique, again O-P-T-R-A. The word is optra. O for object. P for preparation. T for transmission. R for reception by the students, by your audience. And A for assimilation. I will not talk PTRA. I'll briefly touch upon only O. Object is, we all know it, outcome. A broad outcome, a limited outcome with a specific objective of a particular lesson. But I want to remind you of the broader outcome. And the broader outcome is to transform every student of yours into a human being. He is a man, he is a boy, he is a girl, fine. But what is required is, he is a human being, she is a human being. You got to make this human being as humane. Humane. And dear friends, this E is for education. And that is the object of all learning and teaching. And we got to remember, wherever we are, in any situation, we must remember our role as a teacher, and the T is for teaching. And teaching never ends. It is not only a matter of a classroom. Then is E. E for effectiveness. I have been talking about effectiveness often. We all know it. Converting your efforts into action in practical terms. The watchwords are practical terms. Whether what you have transmitted is being executed in action or not. That is effectiveness. Your qualifications, your experience are your assets. But how much you translate these assets into the assets of your audience. And they are your students who are sitting day in and day after to listen to you. Whether you succeeded in giving them those inputs really which you have with you. And that is effectiveness. And it is not to be misunderstood with efficacy. Efficacy is your competence. But effectiveness is transforming your efficiency into action. Is effectiveness. TEA. A is for accountability. I keep on getting a lot of good reports. Though at times the number is minimum, not so good reports as well. I am seeking from you today to review your own profile and create a situation in 1 year's time from now till we meet again to celebrate Teachers' Day next year, that there is no scope for any not so good complaints, not so good reports. This is the task, and I am convinced with your abilities, with your competence, with your efficiency, that the day will definitely come when there shall be no report which is not so good. All performance got to be good. Accountability is the consideration which you must consider. Do not worry accountability for Dean Academics, or for Director General, or for Chancellor, or for Vice Chancellor. Be accountable to your own self. And once you decide to be accountable to your students, take it from me, automatically you will be accountable to yourself. And this accountability is the requirement from A. And then is C, creativity. I was very happy when somebody was talking, I think girl anchor. What is your name? Your name? Shreya. Bedjao. When Shreya talked of some creativity, some animation part, and she said initially this is first speech. No need to tell you to anyone that this is your first speech, because you were sounding very bright. You were sounding very effective. And I was going to give you all the credit. But moment you mentioned it's my first speech, please pardon me and all that, not needed. Whatever, when you are there in the field for accomplishing any activity, take that you know much more than what your people listening, they know it. And that is the formula for continuing on the path of success. Creativity and innovation, we are all aware, we must continue. H for holistic. All the time I have been talking of three: body, mind, soul. We confine ourselves either to body or to mind. But the soul is generally ignored. And my dear friends, it is the soul which accounts for happiness. Happiness which is everlasting. Happiness which is not temporary. Your happiness which arises out of your body is temporary. Your mind is peripheral and temporary. But the happiness which arises from your soul, which is enlightenment, which is your total consciousness. And that is what we learn through transcendental meditation, which Mercy has given us. It's a great asset for our university in which we all are engaged and we have the opportunity. And we have really a task before us to create that type of people from the portals of our university who will ultimately create a new society, new social order. And that is possible by people like us only. Others will not be able to do it who are engaged only in the area of mind and body education. We have education for soul as well. Then we come to H, holistic, of course. E for excellence. That E was for effectiveness, this E for excellence. And you know excellence knows no bounds. Our tagline is, when Director BD came to me asking, sir, what tagline we must give? We have decided to give a tagline. I said, give me your suggestions. He wrote quite a few. I said, reject. Just say, bettering the best in you. And that is what is excellence all about. Try to give this concept to your students, that you are good. You must be better tomorrow, and day after best, and again your day after best becomes your good. It is a cyclic process. The cycle for excellence continues. And last, our teacher is for being role model. You must understand that you are being watched. You must always remember that you are being seen. You must remember that you are equally being tested by the people who are under your charge, and they are your students. At no stage you must do anything where there is a misrepresentation of your personality profile. We very often tend to be very casual. Dear teachers, there is no scope for a teacher to be casual. The seriousness, the business-like approach, result-oriented approach is only possible when we have a role model. And that is required with reference to dynamism. What is dynamism? You can't be static. You can't be same in your tone and tenor because situation has changed. The different type of people they are there. You have to deal with them differently. Situation has changed. Social system has changed. Traditions have changed. Customs have changed. Rules of discipline have changed. Therefore, you are organizing a cultural program. You cannot deal with your students who are participating in the cultural program the way you deal with them in the classroom. It's a different approach entirely. So in your role profile, remember, relevance is equally important. We make it reference to context. And that is the part of your being role model for every situation, for every person, and every time. With this, I give you all the blessings, good wishes, and I want to read out a poem. The title of the poem is Mere Adhyapak. In fact, we called a chief guest. It's a long time I wrote the book, when I was the principal. And chief guest started, teachers are no good. I said, no, I don't agree with you. In any case, this is not applicable to my teachers. My all teachers are good. And after the event was over, I wrote this book, मेरे अध्यापक. सुनिए जरा मेरी बात, क्या कहा है मैंने. क्या कहा? क्या कहा? मेरा अध्यापक सोया है. सुन लीजिए कविता, काम भी करते रहिए और मेरी कविता का भी आनंद लीजिए. क्या कहा? मेरा अध्यापक सोया है. क्या मेरा अध्यापक है निष्क्रिय? निष्क्रिय, इनएक्टिव. क्या मेरा अध्यापक है निष्क्रिय? क्या कहा? मेरा अध्यापक कर्तव्य विमुख. क्या कहा? मेरा अध्यापक कर्तव्य विमुख. क्या कोई प्रश्न चिन्ह है मेरे अध्यापक पर? क्या कोई प्रश्न चिन्ह है मेरे अध्यापक पर? मेरा अध्यापक है निस्तेज. क्या कहा? मेरा अध्यापक है वशिष्ठ. आप सब हैं ये सब जो मैं पढ़ रहा हूं अभी. मेरा अध्यापक है वशिष्ठ, द्रोण, विष्णुगुप्त और परमहंस. मेरा अध्यापक है वशिष्ठ, द्रोण, विष्णुगुप्त और परमहंस. क्या कहा? कहाँ गए ये लोग? और मेरा व्यंग सुनिए. क्या कहा? कहाँ गए ये लोग? मेरा ये प्रश्न चिन्ह है मिथ्या और निराधार. मेरा अध्यापक है कर्मठ. मेरा अध्यापक है कर्मठ. मेरा अध्यापक तेजस्वी. मेरा अध्यापक त्याग मूर्ति. मेरा अध्यापक बुद्धि प्रबल. उसमें वशिष्ठ के संस्कार और द्रोण की कौशलता और विष्णुगुप्त की प्रभुता और हंस की तन्मयता. जानो, समझो और सोचो. सुंदरता है दर्शक के नयनों में. सुंदरता है दर्शक के नयनों में. इनको राम, अर्जुन, चंद्रगुप्त और विवेक की दृष्टि से देखो. इनको राम, अर्जुन, चंद्रगुप्त और विवेक की दृष्टि से देखो. देखो सतयुग, द्वापर, त्रेता युग की सांस्कृतिक मान्यताओं से. बताओ राम, अर्जुन, चंद्रगुप्त, विवेक अब कहाँ हैं? बताओ राम, अर्जुन, चंद्रगुप्त अब विवेक कहाँ हैं? प्रश्न चिन्ह है. कहाँ गए वे लोग? कहाँ गए वे लोग? पैदा करो स्वस्थ और यथोचित मान्यताएं. उठाओ ये प्रश्न चिन्ह मेरे अध्यापक से. मेरा अध्यापक है साधक. आप सब हैं ये. मेरा अध्यापक है साधक. मेरा अध्यापक है प्रेरक. मेरा अध्यापक आराधक. मेरा अध्यापक है शिक्षक. मेरा अध्यापक. ये सब आप लोगों के लिए ताली बजा के मैं अपनी शुभकामनाएं देना चाहूँगा. थैंक यू. गॉड ब्लेस.